Business and professional services companies generally plan revenue by contract or project. This is an example of a project planning template in Workday Adaptive Planning. Templates like this are configurable to customers' specific needs. Whether you plan by line of business, service offering, or customer, it doesn't matter. Adaptive planning allows for as many dimensions as required for your use case. This model takes monthly hours and discount inputs by service type, coupled with consulting rate, revenue recognition, and invoicing assumptions with built-in calculations to the model to come up with bookings, revenue, and invoicing amounts by project. Let's add a new contract to see what impact it would have on my revenue budget. Before we do that, let's visit this version comparison report where I'm comparing my budget version, and I copy that into an upper scenario version. Any changes I make to this version will be reflected in my potential revenue uplift column by service offering. So returning to the project planning template, I'm going to copy these top two rows and just make a couple of edits and then return to the report to see what that impact would be. Starting with 50 hours a month in March, I'm just going to copy that value all the way forward. And then the second layer of this contract, similar. I'm going to start this also in March at 75 hours a month. Copy that all the way forward and then just commit my work. I just updated that upper scenario version. Now when we return to the report, we can refresh that to see the impact. So by adding an additional contract, I'm able to increase my revenue. You can see it's going up a little bit quarter by quarter until I get to the end of the year. This demonstration showed how Workday Adaptive Planning allows customers to quickly perform project planning and what-if analysis.